We're explaining the missing push notification entitlement error in iOS development. 1. This frustrating error pops up when your iOS app tries to use push notifications but lacks the necessary permissions. Essentially, your app is saying it wants to send or receive push notifications, but your app's configuration doesn't tell Apple's system it's allowed to do so. 2. The core issue is a missing entitlement. Entitlements are special permissions you request from Apple to grant your app certain capabilities. For push notifications, you need the push notifications entitlement. This is declared in your app's configuration files, not in your code. 3. Let's break down how to fix this. First, locate your app's capabilities in Xcode. Usually it's under your project's target settings, then look for a section labeled Signing and Capabilities. 4. Within Capabilities, you'll see a list of available functionalities. Find Push Notifications. If it's missing, click the plus button to add it. If it's there but disabled, enable it. 5. Once enabled, Xcode will automatically add the necessary entitlement to your app's provisioning profile. A provisioning profile is like an ID card for your app. It tells Apple which devices and features your app is allowed to use. 6. It's crucial to ensure your provisioning profile is correctly configured and associated with your app. If you're using a development provisioning profile, make sure you've created a proper APN certificate, Apple Push Notification Service Certificate, in your Apple developer account. 7. For a production app, you'll need a production APN certificate. This certificate is essential for allowing your app's servers to communicate with Apple's push notification servers. Without it, even with the entitlement enabled, you won't receive notifications. 8. Sometimes cleaning your Xcode build folder can help. Go to Product, Clean Build Folder. This removes any cached build files that may be causing conflicts. 9. If you're still having trouble, double-check your code. Make sure you're correctly using the necessary frameworks and APIs for handling push notifications. Common mistakes include incorrect import statements or forgetting to register for remote notifications. 10. Finally, if all else fails, check your Apple developer account. Make sure your app's bundle identifier in Xcode exactly matches the bundle identifier used in your Apple developer account and your provisioning profiles. Any discrepancy will cause issues. Remember to rebuild and run your app after making any changes to your entitlements or provisioning profiles for the modifications to take effect. Addressing these points will usually resolve the missing push notification entitlement error, enabling your iOS app to receive those important notifications.